Hello lovely people, how are you today? Today we're going to be looking at lesson 2, and in lesson 2 we're going to break it into two parts. The first part
is the word search.
Exactly, the word search. And the second one is
The wine
tasting
note.
The tasting note. Okay, so we hope you enjoy. So here's the exercise for lesson 2. Now the word search, word searches are not easy. I did give you the first letter for you to look for the words. The words have been taken from a tasting note that we're going to look at afterwards. Now the first word begins with an S and it is steeped. Steeped means to soak in water. The next word was blackcurrant. Blackcurrant is a type of fruit. I'm not going to give you translations, as you can look up these translations in your own mother tongue. The third was raspberry, a type of berry, strawberries, raspberries, and so on. Cedar. Cedar is a word we use when we refer to oak and wood, woody aromas. Mineral. I'm not going to go into great detail with mineral and minerality. I think there are two very, very good texts or studies on the market. One is from Outlook Wine, David Molina, based in Barcelona. And another one is from Humbrecht, Zin Humbrecht, right? And he has a lovely article on his on their. They have a lovely article on their webpage in Alsace. So there we have mineral. Chestnut is a type of tree. Then we have here down the side grippy. When something grips is when a firm grip is when you hold on to something very strong. So when something's grippy, it can stick or adhere to something a lot. So when we talk about grippy tannins, they're talking about things that actually the tannicity actually sticks to your tongue for quite a long time. Grippy. Here we have mesquite, which is another type of tree. Tobacco, referring obviously these aromas of smoky aromas, tobacco-y aromas, and so on. And the last one is lingering, which is a word we use usually when referring to the finish, and it goes on for a long, long time. I think when we learn language or languages, or specifically a type of vocabulary for a specific use, we have to try and learn it in games, because I think the more we use the vocabulary, the better. It's no use in just having a vocabulary list and then not using that vocabulary. And if we do an exercise or play a game with it, then we'll know how it works more, and then we can actually end up using those words. So here's a lovely game or a lovely piece of, or a lovely tool that I came across when I was doing some studies from Wine Spectator, right? Wine Spectator. If you go here to Wine IQ, and in Wine IQ, you have here something that's called What Am I Tasting? Now, they give you every week, there's an update, there's a new one, right? And they give you a tasting note, and they give you the tasting note of something that is what we call a dry tasting. So it's something that you're not going to taste. You're just reading the note, and you have to try and select the variety. They give you 5 options: the country or region of origin, the selected appellation, and then the age. And then you can submit, and when you submit and you get the answers back, underneath there's a little button or a little link that actually takes you to more information about each of the 4 points. Now, the tasting note we got, the vocabulary one this week, was from December 27th 2019, which, if I click on that one here, it is this one here. So here's the tasting note. It says features a core of steeped red and black currant and raspberry fruit. So it really does go into the fruity side. It's really fruit driven. Inlaid with singed cedar. Then this is not singed, because obviously sing sang sung. This is singed, which is like burnt, or slightly burnt cedar. Mesquite and chestnut accents, so these aromas of wood. Shows a grippy edge, so it has the tonicity is quite grippy on the finish, with strong mineral and tobacco components lingering. We said that lasted for a long time. So what I would say to you is do select the varieties, do the game, play the game, and enjoy, and try and do others if you can as well. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed that. We hope you've learned lots. We have looked at the tasting note, and we've looked at vocabulary from the tasting note. We hope you liked the game. It was brilliant, I think. I love that game. And
until next time.
All right,
Bye.
so see you later, lovely family. Bye-bye.